Okay, now we're going to be going over our basic need to know for property managers. First things first, we're going to click on Portfolio, Communities. You're going to enter into the community that you wish to view. Let's do sample community. Once you're in sample community, this will just show you everything that you need to know about the community. You could add the community's website. It shows you the total number of owners listed in the community, how many property addresses we have, if there's any amenity features added or into the system, it will show you that as well, and the activity. Now, also at the bottom, if you look under special info, it has interviews. Now you could list here how often the interviews are done, whether they're once a month. You could add images for the community as well. If you click on owners, this shows you all owners within the community. It shows you their name, their property address, the balances, the emails, and their lot numbers. To view more information about the owner, you'll just click on the owner. It will give you a debrief on the owner, if they have a balance, if there's currently any outstanding work orders, service requests, or CC&R violations. If you wish to update an owner's phone number or email address, you could just hit the add button and go ahead and enter the information for the owner. If you need to do the emails, same method applies. You could also enter any pet information you might have for the owner. This is normally done by the customer service rep, but just in case a manager needs to do that as well, they know where to find it. If you have any important images that you'd like to attach for the owner, you could go ahead and hit attachment gallery and do that as well. Now we're going to go to our accounts payable section. If you go to accounts payable, click on vendors. You will see each vendor listed for this community. Once you click on the vendor, you will have the option of viewing their balance and any basic information for the vendor, who is their contact, what address we have listed on file for them, and if there's any insurance that's due or need to be provided, updated in our system. If you click balance, now this will show you the history for the vendor, in case you want to double check if a payment was made or if a check was issued on time, anything. You will find that all here under the vendors tab. Next, we have our CC&R portion. Just in case you're out in the field and you would like to enter a violation, you would just select the property address or type the owner's name. Then you will just select the date, what the violation's in regards to, if it's a pressure cleaning of the roof or pressure cleaning of the driveway. Once you have this set up in the system, it will automatically populate the information. You'll click on the attachment or photo by library option on your cell phone, and this will populate the image, or you could take an actual picture from your cell phone and upload it into the system. Once you're done, you'll hit save, and that will give your customer service the option to go ahead and proceed with the violations. Another excellent feature is our reports section. This has every report for every department. For your standard reports, you have the annual meeting where you could run a signature page, so all the homeowner's name is listed. Of course, it could flag it by delinquencies, and there's a signing option. For the committee members, if we have the fining committees set up in our system, we have the option of running a report with their information. Owner resident listing, this is just pretty much each owner's information by property. The owner communication preferences, this shows you each owner and their contact and communication information, such as their emails, phone numbers, etc. You also have the general ledger feature. This shows you the balance sheet, budget, chart of accounts. You have the accounts receivable. You could run your delinquency report, collection report, prepays report under this as well. There's also a security deposit report that's really nice and it comes in handy. For your accounts payable, we have our basic vendor history report, aged payables, things that you probably need, any questions that you might have to see if a payment was cleared. You could run an aged open items AP report. For the management and violation side of things, we also have the option of running a work order, service request, or violation report. This comes in handy for the managers as well. You could also go to custom reports and build your meeting packets for your association. So if you have an association that you visit monthly, you normally put in your balance sheet, general ledger, and basic accounting information or violations. You could build that report here and automatically generate it monthly. That's pretty much it, guys. Pretty simple.